Hey everyone, this is Ted Shafran, founder and president of Connectability, and I'm here today with another message about cybersecurity. I'd like to start by asking you to think back to your high school days, and I know that may be a while, but if you're like me, you probably remember that there were two kinds of kids in the class. There were the wise guys who sat in the back, cracked jokes, passed notes, and didn't pay a lot of attention. And then you had the studious types who sat up front, took notes, and got the A's. Now, if we fast forward to today, think about it this way. If you were going to hire an operations manager, which one of those would you choose to hire? I know which one I would hire. Now, let me give you another example. In my hands, I'm holding two different padlocks. This one is a plastic luggage lock, and this one is a stainless steel heavy padlock. Which one of these would you trust to protect your valuables? Well, cybersecurity is a lot like those things, and I'll show you what I mean. This is a standard modem that would be provided to you by your phone company or your cable company. And like the kids who sat in the back of the class, it doesn't pay attention, it doesn't really listen, all it does is pass traffic back and forth. So if you get hit by a cyber attack, it's not really going to do much to protect you. This, on the other hand, is a Sophos next generation firewall. It's like the kids who sit up at the front. It pays attention, it takes notes, and it knows what to look for. So if you do get hit by one of those cyber attacks, you're much more likely to survive it with a device like this. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that a firewall will protect you against every form of attack. But it is your first line of defense against the outside world, and it's really important to have that. So stay alert, be cautious, and keep yourself aware of cybersecurity threats. As always, we're dedicated to your success, and please stay tuned for more episodes.